What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Orange County yard and we have quite a bit going on here today. We are going around and checking all the lights, greasing everything, making sure salt spreaders turn on, plows and whatnot. But the main focus of today's video is going to be testing the front plow on this 2007 International 7500. We just went through it and greased everything on the sander, and we're pretty much ready to throw the plow on it. We do not run a wing on this truck. We do have one for it, but we don't put it on it. The guy does not need it here, so it is kind of unnecessary. But before we get to that, I need to start up our 914 here, and then we have to go into our salt pen and move a couple plows plus one of the trucks over there. So let me get this running and then we'll head over there and go through what needs to be moved. All right, I got the 914 over there warming up. The reason I'm using the 914 out of all of the machines is because this fits on the 914, and this is the easiest way to lift all of the plows and whatnot with throw a chain in the D-ring on the front and connect it to whatever we need to move. Over here we have this wing plow here that needs to be moved first. Then we have this International 4800 that also needs to move. It should start up. We had it running about 2 weeks ago, so hopefully it'll start right up. We can get it out of the way. But then over here I have these two plows that we need to get out of our way first, and I need to grab this big blue one here. This is the plow for the truck that we were throwing it on. Unfortunately, somebody dropped this IT plate, this hitch plate, on top of it, and I can't just lift this out now because that will get in the way. So I could possibly move that first and then grab the plow, or I could just move these two and then kind of just slide this plow back a little bit and let that just come out from underneath it. But let me try and start this truck actually first and make sure it starts, because if this doesn't start, that's going to be our first issue. Let's see. I gotta get the battery charger out here. All right, I got the battery charger on it. I'm gonna run and grab our 914 and get the boom connected to it while I wait for this to charge. It shouldn't need much time at all, but either way, we'll get this thing running and get it out of our way so we can get the plow on that truck. Drag that thing out a little bit. It is a bit too tight. I wonder if I can probably do this actually. Much easier than dragging it. Let's see. There should be plenty of room. machine that we have, it is always feeling like it's going to tip over. It's not very balanced, especially when you have a boom on it like this. Of course, the arms on this wing plow are not wire tied together. Usually we wire tie them. That way, when you lift it, the arms just go right up with the plow. You guys can see from that angle, but this is the exact problem with the arms not being tied up. They kind of just drag, they don't want to lift, and I don't want to go too high with this plow, being that it is not the best machine for being off balanced. Alright, let's see what happens. Nice. Been a long time since I've ran one of these. We have two of these trucks, one that I'm in and then the other one right there. Identical setups pretty much. We have air, power. Let's make sure the plow goes up. Plow goes up. Sure we don't back down into this little creek over here. Do I turn it off or do I leave it on? I think I'm going to leave it on to let the batteries charge for a bit. Got it hooked, but oh, there's a bee in here. Don't like that. Need to get that guy. Oh, that's the unlocked. We need that guy to get out of here. He does not look too happy either. So hopefully when we come back, he's not in there. But the chain is, oh, I might have to drop it a little bit, huh? Wonder if I can get that off. There we go. right. Oh, he's still in here. He's still in here. Come on. I don't want to kill him, and I also don't want to get stung by him. Just keeps going to the back window. I'm gonna try and use the camera to persuade him out of here. Come on, not me, buddy. Oh, come on. Might be time for him to die. Get a map here. Let's see. There we go. Got him. Nice. All right, let's get these plows moved. So these first two plows that I'm moving are two plows that we do use. So I'm gonna lean them along the fence line here. That way, when it's time to put them on, they are ready to go. These plows have different balance points ahead. Never remember. Let's have a look. Go. Alright guys, so this truck works fine. Everything is good, no leaks or anything. There is one slight issue. I'll show you. It's nothing crazy. It's a simple solution, but let's see, start this thing up real quick. We'll turn our PTO on. So we'll power angle left. Watch what the plow does. It goes right. Power angle left or power angle right, and it goes left. So not a crazy issue. It's just a matter of swapping two of the hoses and it'll work properly. But let's go park this thing. All right guys, we got the truck inside the shop here. We have about a foot to spare. We throw some blocks under the plow, that way you're not slamming it down onto the concrete floor over and over. But I'll show you back here. I've talked about how tight this garage gets. See right here, we're just tucked in between these other trucks. You have to kind of offset them in order to get everything to fit in here, but it works. That truck over there is also not supposed to be in here. The F600 is supposed to be parked there, and then the red one and this blue one here are supposed to be offset, kind of similar to that, but obviously the red one doesn't have any plows on it right now. But that is pretty much it for this one. We just have some greasing trucks and stuff like that to do. We got to put the loader away, park the other truck, and that is going to wrap it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.